Hi superachievers, students and parents. Welcome to my channel @Pratap Harichandan in the bracket Atindriyam, where we are building super achievers. So let's start today's video discussing about data. How much data we generate in a day? As per the information from internet, it is around 320 million tetrabytes. That is equivalent to 82 billion movies. How much data it is? Lot of data. But who is taking care of this data? Why we want our data to be safe? Like now I am making a video. YouTube is generating data about my videos. I have 4-5 email account with Gmail. They are also generating data. My bank accounts, people transactions taking place. So there is also data. Organization, just think of a startup to a big organization like Google, Amazon. How much data they are generating. In all data, everyone wants to be safe. Bank also wants their data to be safe because once your data is leaked, once some hackers, bad hackers enter to your system and take out the data, means you are losing everything. You are losing your identity, you are losing money, a lot of things. And you must be hearing about this news, fraud is happening, online transactions, somebody make a fraud and took all the money from your bank account. Every second day I see a news in the newspaper. Somebody lost 48 lakhs, somebody lost 1 crore, like that. A lot of frauds are happening. Phone pay account you have, so that is also at risk if it is not safe. So today we'll see one of the best career options for the engineering aspirant students. That is cybersecurity professionals, cybersecurity engineer. Just imagine you are sitting at home as a cybersecurity professional and working for a big organizations and earning lakhs of rupees in a month. Just imagine. So stay with me to learn how to become a cybersecurity professional or an engineer. 10 to 12 minutes, and don't forget to share my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, because I want your help. I need your help to build a community of super achievers, and it is possible through you only. The more and more you share my video and subscribe my channel, I can reach millions of students and parents, and they can become super achievers. Let's dive into today's best career options for engineering aspirant students. Let us see what is basic of cybersecurity. What is basic? What do you mean by cybersecurity? It is actually, if you see, it is a digital lock to our data. That means any bad hacker cannot enter to our system, any computer or mobile phones or servers in organizations, they cannot enter. That is a digital lock. Like at home, we lock our homes when you are going outside, so that no thieves come into our house and steal our anything, all the things in our home. Similarly here, the bad hackers cannot enter to our data, to our servers, to our computer, to our mobile phones and steal our data. This is the basic of cyber security professionals. And there are social medias, like you must have seen some messages from your friend that my ID has been locked and he is asking for money. So don't lend him money, don't give him money. So this is happening through a bad hacker, so that they earn money through these things. So this is the basic of cyber security professional. Why it is booming? क्यों boom हो रहा है? Why? Because everything is now digital. Any transaction you take, more and more you are going online. And all the organizations, starting from the startup to the big organizations, they need their data to be safe. So how many data are being generated every day, and it will go on increasing. Lots of startups, companies are coming, companies are growing bigger and bigger. So data will be there. So it is estimated that by 2030, data, how many cybersecurity professionals will be required? Around 3.2 million jobs of cybersecurity is required. 3.2 million jobs by 2030. Just imagine. Why? Because these things are. So that's why it is booming. Why there is a gap, Why so much of gap? There is actually gap. That means supply of cybersecurity professional is, there is a gap. There is less because this is a high-tech job. This is a high-tech job and must have some skills like creative skills, analytical skills, innovative skills. That's why there is a gap. Everyone cannot become a cybersecurity professional. You must have a passion for technology, passion for curiosity. Sorry, not passion. That is curiosity, and you must have a analytical skills, creative skills, so that you can become a cybersecurity professional. How? What are the basic qualifications? The basic qualification is that if you want to really become a top-notch cybersecurity professional, must be do your BTech in computer science and engineering, in electronics, in information technology. These three engineering branches you can go for your BTech degree. See, now you will see first year what you have to do, second year what you have to do, and third year what you have to do. In the first year, what should you do? Nobody teaches you the practical things in the school or colleges or in university. Nobody teaches you about the hacking, ethical hacking. Nobody teaches that. You have to learn. What should you learn in the first year? First 8 months, you must invest around 3 to 4 hours per day to learn about networking. Networking means what? That is data transactions that is happening in internet, not that is in networking. That you must know IP addresses, routing, then internet, that means HTTP, and difference between HTTP and HTTPS, I think. S stands for secure. Secure website is, that is where there is no S, that means that website is not secure. Your computer can be hacked, your data can be stolen. These things you must know. Networking, about networking. Second thing is that you must know about Linux. Linux is a language, isn't it? So that you must know about something about Linux. Then it is web security. You must know these things. Invest around 3 to 4 hours to learn from any online classes or books. Invest time and learn the fundamental things. Don't be on the surface. Once you learn the fundamental things, that you can become more and more clear and strong on those things, technology things, networking, web security, and Linux. Second year, you must improve the skills on these things. You must improve. You must do some practical things by doing a hack a box. You can join the community, or you can join a internship where you can do these practical things. Hack a box. You can experience those things. This is the second year. And third year, you have to be more, what do you say? Improve, more and more improve. And you can add your what? These extra things in your resume. When in the third year, when there is a campus interview, you have a job because you are unique. You have this degree, BTech degree, plus these skills. You know what is networking, but you know what is web security, you know what is Linux, isn't it? So this way you can become a cybersecurity professional. What are the job roles? Job roles, generally basic thing is that you have to protect the data. So how you can be a cybersecurity professional or engineer, penetrating test, or ethical hacker. These are things, a lot of more things are there. You can become. Just search something. You have to search yourself and know the things. This is all about the best career option for engineering aspirant students, because already your GMAIN results has come, and some other private engineering and state engineering entrance examinations are going to be held, and the results will come. Think of it if you are really interested for cyber security engineering. Go for that. So if you like this video, please share my video and subscribe to my channel and help me to build a community of super achievers like you. Thank you. All the love, all the power.